finished the whole shroud, let me say it that way, of the toilet. But what I first have to do is I have to square, or at least create a real flat bottom as well as a flat top. Now I have to detach it entirely, and that's already got a couple of screws out here, but got two at the bottom. Now I've got an entirely flat surface except for two corners where my saw just didn't reach, so I have to do that by hand. So I've done this and the bottom is entirely flat now, so that's good. So now I'm going to cut it to the exact height that I calculated. Yes, and after some sanding, they started like this, with all these separate pieces. It starts looking like this, which is a fluid form. So, done one side, so I'll do the other side as well. Glued this and rough sanded it, and this will be on top of my toilet out here approximately. It'll be flush with the outside, and that is where my toilet is coming. So this one is coming up over here. So this will be cut off on the outside so that it's a real toilet. Yeah. 1, 2. Just have a look. How do you like the work I've done? Everything okay? Eh? Everything okay? Eh? Yeah, you like that, eh? You like that. I know. Eh? You're a good boy. Bye-bye. That's the way it looks. So step by step, it's going to take a little bit more form. In the meantime, I sanded the bottom too, had that taken off and sanded that. Put on the top temporarily, right here with some screws here and there, to route this edge. So that's what I'm going to do now. I cut this black bucket to size, took the entire top off and this adjust for the separator, and just taking off the rough edges of it. This would fit inside of here, so what I would do is I would use a plastic shopping bag for as long as they're still available. But spread it around here. Probably have to adjust. And then you would have the separator attached to the toilet seat, which would go up and down here. So the next step is to glue the top onto the toilet again. Okay. So we got a plug cutter here. I have to make 2 of those out of some scrap hard maple that I have. Okay. And then some more glue. So now I'll remove these stubs and then some sanding. And around it, the edge. I taped the separator temporarily to the bottom of the toilet seat so I could figure out what the exact location is. And now I'll be adding a few screws. So I got 2 of these bumpers. This is the original, and this is the one that I adjusted. So that's the way it fits onto it. That looks good. However, I really have to glue it together because it doesn't hold anymore. I used some special glue again that has to dry overnight, but it looks good. And Joey's helping. Then I need to install some heavy-duty sliders. These are about 200 pounds, and that's necessary. So now I got my sliders installed on the sides. Next thing is to prepare the slide out. Now I'm going to replace this jig with the real slide out, but I still have to make some adjustments for the back plate.
Hi guys, this is Joey and we're building a one-of-a-kind RV. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. If you enjoyed the video, give us a like and subscribe. Or better yet, leave a comment. Thanks guys. You've done a good job.